What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode, and today we're discussing the cryptocurrency project known as Uniswap. Now, by the time you finish watching this video, you'll know exactly what Uniswap is, what it's used for, and you'll be able to explain it in plain English to anyone who asks you about it. So if that sounds good, let's jump straight into it. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain that allows trading of crypto assets to take place without any central intermediary. Users can trade and swap crypto tokens like a regular stock centralized exchange, but also add their own cryptocurrency projects on the platform for trading without any authorization from any central intermediary or authority. Nani? This is like a free-for-all Wild West stock exchange where no one is in charge. This is both good and bad. It's good because, well, you don't need no authorization to purchase crypto. It also allows startups and companies to quickly list their tokens and projects on the platform without going through a rigorous process. However, there is a bad side to this because anyone can list something on this decentralized exchange, which means there is a chance of a lot of scam coins and projects being pumped out on the Uniswap exchange. As always, do your research before you invest or purchase any crypto from the Uniswap platform. Now, as I mentioned previously, Uniswap is built on Ethereum, and as of right now, it is the most popular decentralized exchange on the platform. Now, due to its large user base, it has become one of the most, if not the most, biggest contributor of gas fees on the Ethereum network. More on that later. Now, users can connect to Uniswap using crypto mobile wallets like Coinbase, the Trust Wallet, etc. They can also connect using Web 3.0 wallets such as MetaMask. It's also worth mentioning that once you swap and own a token on the Uniswap platform, you are in full control of your crypto. You own the keys and you don't have to consult a third party when you're going to use that crypto for whatever purposes. Now, the native token for Uniswap is Uni. This can be used like other crypto tokens, for example, to trade, hodl, invest in, etc. However, its main utility is that it is a governance token for the Uniswap platform. This means that investors who hold the Uni token can vote on how the algorithmic protocol on the Uniswap exchange is run and have input on what the platform will look like and implement in the future. Now, Uniswap works in a very complex way, so I'll try and break it down as simple as I can. So unlike traditional stock exchanges which operate on a order book model, Uniswap solely operates on smart contracts and uses liquidity pools to facilitate exchanges between users. Now, in terms of smart contracts, there are two main contracts that the platform uses. First is the exchange contract. This contract allows crypto token exchanges to take place on the platform as long as the user connects to Uniswap using a crypto wallet and has Ethereum in that wallet to exchange for a desired token on the Uniswap exchange. So in other words, to buy and receive tokens off the Uniswap platform, you need to pay using Ethereum or trade using Ethereum. The second smart contract on the Uniswap platform is the factory contract, where users or startups can create a new exchange contract, such as the one we just mentioned, and record a ERC20 token to that exchange contract address. So for example, let's say a new company or startup wanted to list their crypto coin on Uniswap. They would create a new exchange contract using the factory contract and record their token on that contract address, thus allowing users who connect to Uniswap to locate and purchase their token by using that contract address. Hope that makes sense. Nani? Now, other than smart contracts, Uniswap also replaces the traditional order book model with automated liquidity pools. Liquidity pools are created by users who deposit their cryptocurrency into a joint fund, which helps with the Uniswap network and also helps with the exchange of assets on the platform. Users who contribute their assets to the pool are known as liquidity providers. As a reward for these users contributing liquidity, they receive reward tokens based on how much they contributed to that pool. These crypto reward tokens can be used like other crypto and can be traded, held, and sold. The rewards are generated from the transaction fees that users are charged for when they swap tokens on the Uniswap platform. Now there's one major flaw that you'll hear about when using Uniswap, and that is the ridiculous gas fees that you may encounter when you exchange your Ethereum for a token on the Uniswap network. As Ethereum becomes more popular and mainstream and more people adopt it, the gas fees you'll encounter when initiating a transaction will continue to rise in price. Think of gas fees like a transaction fee that you will need to pay to initiate a transaction to take place on the Ethereum network or any application such as Uniswap that runs on the Ethereum network. Now, to give you an idea of how ridiculous some of these gas fees can be, you might purchase some crypto off the Uniswap exchange, let's say $100 worth of something, and you might be charged a $70 transaction fee, which is craziness. So your total would be $170.
NANI?!
Now, work is being done to address this issue and to lower the fees, and there are alternative exchanges now making their way onto the crypto marketplace. However, Uniswap is still the #1 decentralized exchange as of the time of making this video. So let's look at some pros and cons of Uniswap, and we'll begin with the pros. Number 1, no verification is needed to exchange tokens due to its decentralized nature. Number 2, there is no central intermediary or authority controlling everything on the platform like traditional stock exchanges. Number 3, you can find new and rare projects on Uniswap before they blow up and shoot to the moon once they make it to more well-known exchanges such as Binance and KuCoin. And number 4, it operates on smart contracts and liquidity pools. Moving on to the cons. Number 1, there is a chance you will encounter a lot of scam coins, so you need to be very, very careful. Number 2 are the high and ridiculous gas fees that we just spoke about. And number 3, there are alternatives making their way to the crypto market space that do the same job as Uniswap. But what do you guys think? Are you a fan of Uniswap? Are you invested in the project? And would you recommend others use it? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to be informed on all the different types of crypto projects out there in the crypto space. Check out this next video if you want to learn about another crypto project, and I will speak to you in the next one. Take care. Peace.
NANI?!